Settings. 7:30 a.m. Airtel. L A T R A. Unlock button. Double tap to activate. Unlock button. Apps list. Search apps, edit box. Double tap. Settings, in grid, 7 rows, 5 columns. Settings. Search settings, out of grid. Double tap to activate. Accessibility. Back button, out of list. Double tap. Showing items 1 to 10 of 31. Talkback on, speak items on screen, in list. Double tap to act. Talkback. Back button, out of list. Double tap to activate. Showing use talkback on, switch. Stop talkback. Tapping stop will stop talkback, out of list. Stop button. Stop button. Talkback off.